I got me a little sockeye right here about to flay up. That's what it looked like. This very small, but you'll be impressed how bright the meat is. See that? But wait till I fillet it. Wait till you really see the meat. All right. We'll just chop the head off. The head go in the pot. Alright, you ready to see how bright it is? Let's see. Bam! You guys see how bright that is? Look. So what I'm going to do, you see these little pin bones? Let's see. Feel for it. Well, yeah, it's like that. I don't know if you can hear it. But I'm going to have to pluck those out. Rid of that. Butcher it. There's the belly, save that for a smoker. Now I feel. See that? That's what I'm getting out. Now I'm just going to skin it. Right here, yeah, that's the straight skinless sockeye fillet right here, skinless, boneless. That's what you get. See how bright it is. Now I did leave this much meat on the skin on purpose, because when you bake the skin, or fry it, throw it in the air fryer, oh, it's good. I already scaled it too. See that? Yeah, it's already been scaled. So And then when I bake it or fry it, whatever, I'll put this side down. Yeah, it is gonna come out crispy. Alright, I already got some sockeye salmon filleted up in the pot. I just got it on ice, but I already filleted it, skinned it, deboned it, took out the bones, all these little pin bones, see? Took them out. Yeah, that's how bright a sockeye is. And I even got the skin right here. I left some meat on the skin, so when I bake the skin or fry it, yeah, it's gonna come out bomb. And then we got the bellies, save everything. And then the bones, you know, we eat everything.